Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon near the subscribe button so that you get the notifications of my latest videos. And do not forget to like and share the video. Today we'll be studying the chapter Power Sharing, the first chapter of Political Science in NCERT. Basically in power sharing we'll be going on with two cases. Case 1 is of Belgium. Then we'll be seeing a story of Sri Lanka. We'll be comparing both of them. Then we'll be moving on to the main concept of power sharing. So let's go on with this situation number 1 or case number 1 of Belgium. First let me explain the composition of Belgium or the characteristics of this country, the small country Belgium. Belgium is basically a very small country in Europe, in this continent Europe, and it has borders with France, Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. It shares its borders with these 4 countries. The capital of Belgium is the famous city Brussels. And the population of Belgium is very little, over 1 crore, and but it has 1 crore population, very little, but in this 1 crore population itself, the ethnicity or the ethnic composition of this country is very complex. Now how it is complex, I'll explain it in this part. Now we'll be seeing the condition of Belgium in the whole country. Then I'll be moving on to the condition of Belgium in the capital city. So first of all, the condition in the country. 59% of the whole population I'm talking about. Of the whole population, 59% of the people live in the Flemish region and they speak Dutch language. 59% of the people live in Flemish region, and in Flemish region, in that specific region, they speak Dutch language. Then 40% of the people live in Wallonia region or Walloon region. There are 2 names for this region, Wallonia region or Walloon region. Both are the same, Wallonia or Walloon. Wallonia region, and they speak French language. Now 59 plus 40 is 99. Remaining 1% of the people, very minor, they speak the German language and they are scattered in the whole country. The complications were between only these 2 communities, between the Dutch speaking people and between the French speaking people. The complications between these 2 countries were rising day by day, and this led to tensions between these 2 communities between the 1950s and 1960s. But this tensions was more acute in the capital city Brussels, because in Brussels 80% of the people were French speaking and 20% people were Dutch speaking. Now just see the comparison over here. In the whole country, French speaking people were minor. Here is just 40%. But in the capital city Brussels, it is 80%. Look the difference. In the whole country, it's 40%. 40% French speaking people. In Brussels, in the capital city Brussels, it is 80%. Then if you go in the whole country, if you see, 59% of the people are Dutch speaking, but only in Brussels, only in that small capital city, 20% people are Dutch speaking. So these kind of complications rose between the 2 communities, and they were rising day by day. It led to a lot of tensions between the 2 communities. So a lot of problems also arose, and that is how slowly the concept of power sharing came into being. The second situation we'll be studying in our next video, that is about Sri Lanka. Then we'll be comparing the two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. Then we'll be moving on to accommodations of powers and all that, all those topics. Then you'll realize how these tensions slowly stopped and how everything was peace, safe and sound. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section, or if you want me to make any video from any topic, from any subject, just mention in the comment section.